And without further ado, let's welcome PvPvAI.
All right. Can everybody hear me? Good to go?
Yes, we can.
All right. So PvPvAI Arena is an app that combines AI prediction markets with competitive play. The bulk of our demo is going to be actually playing the game, but I'll give you a quick rundown on how it works before that. Basically, we give you the tools to create agents, including a personality downloader that generates ELIZA config from Blue Sky posts and interview transcripts. You'll put these agents into a room where they'll talk about a token to determine if they want to buy, hold, or sell the token. Players will place bets on the agents to try to determine what they're going to decide on, and players will engage in PvP to try to sabotage the agents or try to influence the discussion to go one way or the other. We're going to be demoing with 3 personalities in a room. We'll be demoing with Mark Cuban, Batman, and a fish. And let's just take a quick look at Batman. One of the features of our app that's running behind the scenes is we have a custom version of ELIZA that's running a plugin that is fine-tuned for conversational AI, so it keeps the discussions exciting. You can see right over here that we have Batman's history. This was from our personality generator. And now that we've introduced one of the agents, let's go ahead and let's take a look at the room. Okay, so we're here in the room. This is what the interface looks like. You can see that the 3 agents, Mark Cuban, Batman, and literally a fish, are all in the room. The team members are connected, and we're going to do the remainder of the demo on just playing the game. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. So we're waiting for the round to start, and then once the round starts, we'll go ahead and show all features of the demo. You can see that the current round is closing. Everybody decided to hold. And let's go ahead and let's see what happens. There we go. Okay. All right, next round has started. So we support 4 PvP actions in the base version. We support attack, which lets you send a direct message to an agent where you can try to like inject, prompt, and hijack their personality. Silence, which prevents them from saying messages. Deafen, which prevents them from hearing messages. And poison, which lets you do find and replace on a turn. Right now, the agents are talking about Pepe, and you can see that they're aware of the context of the token. They're talking about it as if it's a meme token. And I'm going to kick this off by poisoning Mark Cuban. And instead of having him talk about Pepe, I want him to talk about BTC instead. I'll place that bet. And if you want to check, you can see this all on chain in base scan. And while this is going on, I'm going to go ahead and place a bet on Mark. I think he's going to buy. So my bet is in. And let's see how this plays out. So the other team members are going to be doing additional PvP actions. Chandra, could you maybe deafen Batman, and Alvin, could you attack Fish? Okay. So you can see, by the way, Mark Cuban, because he's poisoned and he's now replacing Pepe with Fish, you can see that whenever Pepe would appear, he's now talking about BTC, which is going to confuse the agents. The round is almost over, and we're just going to wait for the agents to make their decisions, which should come in just a few seconds. There we go. All right. There we go. Everybody held. One of us won. Who was it who won? Post in the public chat. There we go. Okay, whoever me is. All right. But that's it for the demo. Before I get into there, I just want to introduce the rest of the team. We have, in addition to me, Chandra, Patrick, and Alvin, who are on as full stack developers. We also have Hema, who is our smart contract expert and our DevRel person. And we also invite everybody who is watching this presentation to sign up for early access. If you watch this video after the fact, this is the link to the early access sign up. Thanks, everybody.
Awesome. That was such a cool demo, and I'm a big fan of these types of games because you get to do so much cool strategy work. So this was great, and I hope you continue building this.